Hi guys, how is it going? So in today's video I will show you how to put air in your car tire. So you park your car close to the air pump and get out of your car and see on this air machine there is a digits. 32 is the maximum air pressure you can put in your car, so leave it to 32, but I will just show you that with plus sign you can add more digits and with minus you can less it. So this is the air hose and I'm going to put this air hose into the valve, tire valve, like this, and you start filling up the air, and once you hear the beep sound it means the 32 level is complete. So initial level was 30 or 29 and then now it's 32. So now I'm onto the other tire, so I will be filling up air in this tire. Beep sound will tell you that air is full, but I personally check the digits, that how much the current air pressure is. So I'm doing it this one now, and at the same time I'm looking at the digits. So it was also initial digit pressure was 29 and now it's 32. So I've done this one and now I'm going to go to the other one. So now this one. So you open the valve cap and then put the air hose into the valve and then see the digits, and it's also low. So once you hear the beep sound it's now up to the 32 level mark. Now I'm going to do the fourth one, the final one. So this one you can't see it, but the level, the air pressure is 26 in this one, so quite low, and I have to fill it up till 32. So you can see it's taking more time. Alright, so this one is 32 now, so all four tires have maximum level of air in it. That's good. So it's all done. So I'll put the air hose onto its original place. Make sure it's out of the driveway. Alright, so it's all done. That's how you fill the air in your car tire. I hope you find this video really helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the latest upcoming videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.